How to transfer files between Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, just go to the Play Store application and make sure you download this application called Data Transfer Mobile Trans. And as you do that, you can just tap on open and then tap on the home screen over here where it says enter. As you tap on enter, you'll be start to giving the access to the device. So just allow access to manage all files and then go back and then tap on enter again and then give the access to your different options like contacts, SMS and messages and so on. After doing that, here you can just connect the phone to phone. So tap on phone to phone and then you just have to go your basic on how you can copy the phone data from Android to your new phone or transfer the WhatsApp chats between iPhone and Android and so on. So you just have to make a purchase over here. You cannot have it on free basis. So you can just buy the different packages that it offers to you. So as it offers to you, you can just connect it via old phone or new phone. So if you have an old phone, if you want to transfer it, you just have to tap on old phone, and if you want to receive it, you have to tap on receive the data or receive phone. So make sure that you have installed this application on both the devices so that you can get or send the photos and files and also receive the files. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.